People often think realtors only show houses, but the truth is much deeper. A great realtor succeeds because of their skills, their patience, and their ability to guide people through one of the biggest decisions of their lives. The best realtors are excellent communicators. They know how to listen, ask the right questions, and understand a client's priorities. Before they suggest anything, they take time to learn what the client really wants. This creates trust and clarity. A strong knowledge of the local market is another essential skill. The top agents know every neighborhood, price trend, school district, and upcoming development. This helps them guide clients in a confident and accurate way. Negotiation is where great realtors truly stand out. They know how to create win-win situations, protect their clients, and maintain professionalism. They stay calm during tough conversations and always work toward the best possible outcome. Consistency is also a major factor. Real estate is not a typical 9-to-5 job. Deals fall apart, clients get anxious, and market conditions shift. Successful realtors keep pushing, keep learning, and continue building relationships even when they face challenges. The best agents also build long-term connections. They stay in touch with clients, offer advice even after closing, and become a trusted resource for years. These relationships become the foundation of their business. If you want to become a realtor, remember that success does not come from selling. It comes from trust, consistency, empathy, and real care for the people you serve. These qualities shape a career that grows year after year.